Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again I am here for Gokuldas Public School online classes and I am teaching you which subject? Math. So again we are starting today new topic, but our chapter is same. The chapter that we are doing, the chapter 3, and what is the name of that chapter? Numbers up to 99. So what was our last topic that we have done? Question based on greater than. Question based on greater than. And what we have done in that question, two numbers are given. And we identify the greater number. We found out the bigger number and we place the bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in right circle. Okay. So I have given you some questions also for homework. So I hope all of you have done the homework. Have you done the homework? Very good. Now we will start our next topic. Today we will start new topic, and this topic is given in your book also. So open your book, page number 4848. Okay, open page number 48 in your book and open your notebook also. Daily we do written work in our maths notebook. So open your maths notebook and your book also, and the topic that we are doing today is given on page number 4848. 4848. So first of all, open your book, all of you. Open your book and open page number 48 and open your notebook also and take out new page in your notebook. And what is your first thing? What you are writing first thing in your notebook? You write date this side of your notebook. So what is the date today that you have to write here on the left side of your notebook? So I hope all of you have opened the book. Now see, these questions we are doing today. So many questions are given. So we will not solve all the question, but few question I will solve on the board, and you copy these question from the board, and rest of the question you do homework as homework in book only. Okay, no need to write the homework question in your notebook. Only write those questions that I will write on the board, and you copy those questions in your notebook. And the question, remaining question, what you will do, you will do those questions as homework and do your homework in the book itself. Is that clear? Now see what is the question. The topic is greater than, less than and equals to. What is the topic? Greater than, less than, no need to write just now, greater than, less than, equal. Okay, this is our today's topic, and already I have explained you the concept of greater than, less than and equals to. Again I am explaining you once again. Again we will revise greater than, less than and equals to. So first we will write, I will explain you the symbols of greater than. No need to write, only you have to listen. So fold your hands and only you have to look into the screen. Greater than, less than and equal. So what is the symbol of greater than? Greater than symbol is like this. Okay, the mouth of crocodile or always wants to eat greater number, so he open its mouth towards the greater number. And the symbol of less than is like this. Okay, and equals to two sleeping lions. Okay, so these are the symbols of greater than, less than and equals to. So for solving the following questions that are given in the book, first we have to identify the greater number and accordingly we put these symbols, okay, in the given circle. Some circles are between the two numbers, circles are given. So after identifying the number, we put these symbols, okay, the symbol of greater than, the symbol of less than, and the symbol of equals to. Okay, now start writing with me. First write the heading. First write the heading greater than, greater than, less than, less than, equal to, equal to. Okay, write this heading first. Okay, now write the question. After writing the heading, write the question. The question given in the book is like this: help the fisher catch a fish by filling in the correct symbol. What is the question written? Help the fisher catch a fish by filling in the correct symbol. But don't write that question. Write fill in the circle. Write this question: F-I-L-L fill, I-N-N-T-H-E, the. Fill in the circle by correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, by correct symbol, S-Y-M-B-O-L, and write the symbols inside brackets. This is sign of less than, this is the symbol of greater than or equals. Fill in the circle by correct symbol. This is the question. So after writing the heading, you have to leave one box and then write the question. Fill in the circle. That means you have to fill the circle by these symbols. Okay, by these symbols, not all the three symbols. One circle will contain one of these symbols. So which symbol will come? For that you have to identify the number greater, smaller or equal. So copy the question fast. Now write the question 1, that is A. Here write A. The numbers are 3, 5. How do we read this number as? 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. Then make one circle. Then the next number is 5, 4. And how do we read this number 5, 4 as? 5, 4, 54. 5, 4, 54. So first we will read the whole question. 3, 5, then circle, then 5, 4, 54. Okay. So which number is bigger and which number is smaller? So for that we first check the first digit of both the numbers. Here the first number is 3 and here the first number is 5. 3 and 5. So among 3 and 5, which number is greater? 5 is greater. That means 54 is greater than 35. So which symbol will come? The mouth of crocodile is open towards the bigger number. So this symbol will come here. Now the next question, B. Copy this question first. A. Now the second question. B. What are the numbers given? 2, 6, 26. Then one circle. Then 1, 6, 16. 2, 6, 26 and 16. 26 and 16. So first you have to identify bigger number. So for that again we compare the first digit of both the numbers. So here the first digit is 2 and here the first digit is 1. 2 and 1. So between 2 and 1 the bigger number is 2. Between 2 and 1 bigger number is 2. So which number is greater? 2, 6, 26 is greater number. 2, 6, 26 is bigger number. So which symbol will come this in the circle? The mouth of crocodile. The crocodile always wants to eat which number? Greater number. That means 26 is greater. So the symbol of greater than. Okay. Now the next C. The next number is 18. 1, 8, 18. Then draw a circle. Then again write 1, 8, 18. 18. Then circle. Then again 18. Now compare both the numbers. So this number is 1, 8, 18 and this number is also 1, 8, 18. That means both the numbers are same. We can also say that both the numbers are equal. So we have to put here the sign of equal. So where is the sign of equal? This is the sign of equal. So here the sign of equality equal will come. Now next question D. Next question D. So what are the numbers given? What are the numbers given? Numbers are 1, 5, 15. Then and the other number is 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. 15 and 25. So first we have to identify the bigger number. So for that again compare the first digit of a number. The first digit here is 1 and the first digit here is 2. Here is 1 and here is 2. So 1 and 2, which is greater? 2 is greater. That means 2, 5, 25 is greater number than 1, 5, 15. 25 is bigger number than 15. So the sign of greater than will face towards number 25. The sign of greater than face towards the number 25. Next 4, 5, 45. Then again draw a circle. Then write the next number. 4, 5, 45. Now compare the two numbers, given numbers. Which number is this? 4, 5, 45 and this number is also 4, 5, 45. That means both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. So sign of equality. Put sign of equality. Now the next question, F. 7, 3, 73. Then put a circle. Then next number is 7, 6, 76. 7, 3, 73 and 7, 6, 76. Okay. These two numbers are given. So we have to identify the bigger number. So I told you before also, For that, first we compare the first digit of both the numbers. So here the first digit is 7 and here also the first digit is 7. So both the numbers are equal. Both the first digit is same. So what we will do? We will now compare the second number. Here the second number is 3 and here the second number is 6. Here the second number is 3 and here the second number is 6. So we compare the second digit of both the numbers, 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So which number is bigger? 3 or 6? 6 is bigger. Okay, that's why 76 is greater. Okay, if first digit of both the number are same, then we compare the second digit. Okay, then we compare the second digit, and if second digit this number is greater, that means this whole number is greater than this number. Okay, so put sign of greater than this side. Put sign of greater than this side. Now the next question, G. The question given are 8 to 82, 8 to 82, then a big circle, then 80, 80. 8 to 82 and 80, 80. These two numbers are given and we have to compare these numbers. Again, first we compare the first digit. So the first digit here is 8 and the first digit here is also 8. That means both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. So what we will do? We will compare the second digit. We will compare the second digit. Now see, what is the second digit here? 2. And what is the second digit here? 0. 2 and 0. So which number is greater between 2 and 0? 2 is greater. That means 8 to 82 is bigger number and 8080 is smaller number. So the symbol of greater than faces towards the bigger number 82. Bigger number 82. Now after G, the next question, H. The numbers given are 96, 96, then put a big circle, then again write 96, 96. 96, 96 and again the next number is 96, 96. 96, 96, 96, 96. That means both the numbers are equal, both the numbers are same. So place here the sign of equality. Okay. Two more questions we will solve, then I will give you some question to solve and you solve those questions. Okay. So I hope all of you have written questions of this side. So I will rub the board of this side. Okay. So after H, next question I. The number is 1, 5, 15, then a big circle and 1, 4, 14. So we have to identify bigger number. So first we will compare the first digit of both the numbers. Here the first digit is 1. Here also the first digit is 1. That means both are same. Next, then we will follow the next step. That means now we compare the second digit. Here the second digit is 5 and here the second digit is 4. Here the second digit is 5 and 4. So between 5 and 4, which is bigger number? 5 is bigger number. So 1, 5, 15 is greater than 1, 4, 14. So you have to make a symbol of greater than towards a bigger number 15. Now the last question, 1, 4, 14 and 2, 5, 25. Okay. 1, 5, 14 and 2, 5, 25. So first compare the first digit 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So which number is greater? Which number is bigger? 2 is bigger number. That means 2 5 25 is bigger than 1 4 14. So sign of greater than faces towards a bigger number 2 5 25. Okay. So these are some questions that I have solved. Now I will give you some questions to solve. Okay, so you solve those 5 questions. So those 5 questions I am writing just below this. So you solve those questions. Okay. Okay, these questions I am giving these 5 questions. So you solve these questions. No need to draw this line. Okay. You solve these questions. 17 circle 36, 25 circle 52, 37 circle 37, 48 circle 84 and 52 circle 72. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to solve these 5 questions. I will give you 2 minutes for solving these questions. So you compare these questions and put a correct symbol inside the circle. Okay. So all of you do these 5 questions. Then I will write the answer and you check in your copy whether you have done right or not. So I hope all of you have done these 5 questions. Okay, so check your answers. Now I am writing the answer on the board. You check whether you have written right or not. Okay, so now it is, see the first question. The two numbers are 17 and 36. What are the two numbers here? 17 and 36. So which number is bigger? 36 is bigger. So this symbol will come. You have written right. Good. Now the next question, 2 5 25 and 5 2 52. 2 5 25, 5 2 52. Which number is bigger? 52 is bigger number. So here also the same symbol will come. Now the next question, the number here is 3 7 37. Here also which number? 3 7 37. That means both the numbers are equal. So sign of equality. Now the next question, 4 8 48 and 8 4 84. 4 8 48 and 8 4 84. So which number is bigger? 8 4 84 is bigger number and 4 8 48 is smaller. So here this symbol. Now the last question, the numbers are 5 to 52 and 7 to 72. The numbers are 5 to 52 and 7 to 72. So which is the bigger number? 72 is the bigger number. So this symbol will come this side. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood how to compare number and how to place a correct symbol of greater than, less than and equals to. Okay. So see the questions that we have done today. You have book. I hope all of you have opened your book and sitting. So see in book the questions that we have done just now is this column. The three columns are given. The column 1, column 2 and column 3. 3. So this question I have done. Today we have done in our notebook. So these two columns are remain. So this column and this column is homework for you. Okay, which is your homework today? This column and this column. Okay, you have to fill this column with the symbol of less than, greater than and equal to in book only. No need to write this homework in your classwork copy. कॉपी में नहीं करना है. ये दो कॉलम होमवर्क है जो आपको बुक में ही करना है. ये वाला कॉलम हमने अभी नोटबुक में लिख लिया है. ओके, so I hope all of you have understood how to compare numbers. Now we will continue with our next topic in our next lecture, ascending and descending. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.